On average, most bulk objects have an equal number of positive and negative charges, and are thus charge neutral. Thus, when all of the charges in an object are added together, their sum is 0. In our simple experiment in which the silk and glass were rubbed together, a small amount of charge was transferred from one object to the other. In this case, the rod ended up with a net positive charge. It can be shown that the silk used to rub the glass ended up with a net negative charge. Thus, rubbing the silk and the glass rod has rearranged the charges, but it is important to note that no charges were created or destroyed in this process. A general theory of charge is that total charge is always conserved. This is analogous to the statement of energy conservation. This hypothesis has withstood close experimental scrutiny, and no exceptions have ever been found.